the female. She was up there laying the eggs. Oh boy, that's a big alligator. Look how wide his body is. Yep, caught it on the fly. That turtle will do everything that it can to get away. That alligator is going to have to take another grip.
Our camera went off.
Oh, he's
just crushed it.
He just crunched it.
Oh look! Oh my God! Okay, we don't need it. Oh, and the turtle's still alive. Oh jeez. That turtle is so close to getting away. She's trying so hard. Oh my God. Look. She's bleeding. Oh.
Let's get off walking first.
That gator's about 12 feet.
That's pretty fat. Doesn't look like
And you're only about 8 feet away from it. Oh look, the turtle's trying so hard to get away.
Doesn't get any weirder than this, right? It's actually a little disturbing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially when you're here. I've never heard them do the crunch thing.
And the turtle.
I gotta be honest with you folks, this is the most time that I've been able to spend and see the process. And you guys